First, take a video clip and go to the text option, then open the details section. Select the fourth blur effect and place it over the area you want to blur, adjusting the intensity as needed. Finally, choose the first option from the tracking menu, and you're done. Again, take a video clip and choose an emoji of your choice to place over the part you want to highlight separately. Then, select the first option from the tracking menu again. Here, we are using the emoji specifically to highlight the plane. As the plane moves forward, place the emoji over it and add a keyframe. Continue this process until the end.